I'd just like to show you the Afimilk Afim solenoid that's used on their milk meter. The milk meter is used by Fullwood and other companies. It's a very popular milk meter on the dairies these days. This solenoid is a direct replacement for an Afilite solenoid, and it was used on Fullwood, Afiflo, Afilite and the latest LM1 milk meter. Now I'll just show you that is the milk meter. If you've got a milk meter that looks like that, then this solenoid will fit it. Dead simple to change. Take your faulty solenoid, follow the wires back into the trunking, electrical trunking. You'll find on the end brown wire, blue wire. Make a note of where those wires go, disconnect them and remove the wires from the trunking. To remove the faulty solenoid from the milk meter, all you do is unclip the base, and the solenoid is fitted in a bayonet fitting here, so it will turn towards the two slots at the end and pull out. To replace the solenoid, just pop it back in and turn it back again to lock position, and then replace the base with a clip. Job done. You've got two pipes there, one is for vacuum and one is for air. Just make a note of which way those pipes go. If you get them around the wrong way, the meter won't work properly, so just make a note when you do it, and you can always check the meter next to it just to make sure they're the right way round. So dead simple. We sell these on eBay. They come, you can have a 10-meter cable with them or a 20-meter cable. They're a direct replacement for the Afi or the Fullwood solenoid. Very good quality. Thank you for looking.